How to blur background in PickU. Want that dreamy pro camera look without using DSLR? Let's blur your photo background in PickU. Tap the plus or edit button, tap the makeup icon, and choose photos from your gallery. Pick one where you want the background to fade out and pop your face. Tap auto blur, tap blur icon. There are multiple choices. One that slide dots, slide it left. One the deep DSLR effects, slide it right. Make it as dramatic or subtle as you like. If the blur went over something it shouldn't, use the eraser or brush. Once you're happy with the result, hit save and you have got the photo that screamed taken as a pro camera, even if it was just a phone. And that's it. Easy, fast, and no fancy tools needed. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more quick editing magic with PickU. See you in the next one.